Hi everyone, not sure who's watching. I'm May from group 29, and today there will be three of us who will be presenting the main features that we have developed so far for our web application, followed by a summary of the key contributions as well as the features developed. Okay, so to begin with the core functionalities, we have been working on models, we have been working on features such as login and logout, etc. So for me, I rewrote the models and forms for key components of the system, which are pest disease, trees management, surveillance records, and plan part. So these were originally not all of them actually. The pest disease originally were hard-coded Python functions, and I converted them into proper Django models and forms so that the data could be rendered dynamically. So if you go to pest page over here, then we are able to see the 7 pest disease, and in each of these page, you will also be able to see the names, the description, symptoms, preventions, for example, all of these in here. While I have been working on the backend functionalities, David has actually been the one styling these particular pages, basically throughout the website. And okay, what else? So on the back end, I also did some CRUD functionalities for tree management and surveillance records. So for example, if I go log into my account, so rather than admin, I will do my name, my username, and then my password, and then login. So as you can see in here, we are able to see, whoa, welcome back admin. Interesting. So as you can see in here, we have been developing these features. So this particular part is the tree management. You see the tag number, variety of the type of mango tree, planting dates, blah, blah, blah. So as you can see in here, I've added 3 tag number for the trees. So I have 3 trees. The variety is Tongdam, and then the location of the tree. And through here, I can also edit, delete, or add record as well. So if I were to click delete of this one, then it's going to say bye. But if I were to add it though, I can definitely add it. So instead of Tongdam, probably I can change it to, let's say, a Ken variety of the mango. Then click update. Then boom, we're done. Okay, what else? This allows user, especially our target audience between 40 to 60 age range, to navigate and edit everything in just a single page. So these are the trees management. And if you go to here, there will be surveillance records. So for all of the trees that you entered, it should all be in here. But just now, as you can see that the first tree is gone. So we've only got tree number 2 and tree number 3. So let's try adding tree number 2. The affected plant part, I'll just say that the leaves are getting affected. The pest disease, let's go with bacteria black spot. Nope, that does not make sense. I'm just going to go with the first pest disease, and then the severity is low. Notes, looking yellow. How about that? And then create record. And then as you can see here, the data is rendered inside in this table. Okay. So in addition to building the features, I also contributed significantly to the team coordination. I hosted regular team meetings and assigned and tracked tasks using Microsoft Planner and Excel, and especially through Teams thread messages. I also got to do some code reviews and gave feedback to maintain consistency. Other than that, I will now pass on to David to describe a little bit more about the login features.
Hi everyone. Sorry. Hi everyone. Here is a quick overview of what I have worked on this project so far. So, on the front end, I focus on creating a clean and modern layout for all the pages. Make sure they are consistent. That's include the the navigation link, the hero section, all the images, and all the footer. So, for the back end, I also handle the user authentication system. I implement a login, logout, and registration features and set up the password reset functionality using a real Gmail SMTP server. This ensures that the password sent reset email are actually sent out and received by the user, adding an extra layer of security and reliable extra security. So to demonstrate that, I will press logout. So when you first land on the PlanShield website, you will see that this is all the information, all the welcome stuff. And if you click on learn more, it will redirect you to the PES. This was hard coded from our last project, but then we make it so that, as described by my earlier, the data could be loaded dynam dynamically. And so from that, if you want to register or record a civilian data, you would click on this one if you don't have account. So I will demonstrate that for you. So if you put this, that will just register and then you have your account. And if you already have your account, which in this case I do, so I will just please click on login and I will put my account in, the password that I have. I logged in, then it will redirect you to the civilian data, which in this case was not visible when the user did not log in. And from that, you also have the dashboard, which show your information about farm information, civilian stat, plus civilian record. From that, also you have Mango tree management and stuff. And also you have your profile, which you can change your username, email address, and the farm detail. And on top of that, when you click on logout, you will see you have been logged out successfully. And if you want to log in again, just click on this one. If you want to return to home, you click on this one. So if you want to log in again, say if I forgot my password, so I will just click on this one. This will when I put my real Gmail in, it will, and I click on this one. The site will take a while, a little bit, to send out the reset link. And when I go to my actual inbox, you will see that this will appear, um, the path with the token to reset the password. So if I click on this one, it will redirect you to set a new password page where I can set the new password. In this case, I will put my new password in and then reset password. And now my password has been reset complete. If to make sure that it's work, I will put in my new password in and then logged in. Then you can see it is working now. From all on top of that, from the backend, I also work on the data model for user, farm, and plant part, where when a user register, a farm profile is automatically created for them to use the Django signal. This keep help this help keep everything connected in the database and ensure a seamless experience for user. Overall, the project is fully functional and ready for real users, and I will pass this presentation to Stuti.
Um, Hi everyone, my name is Stuti. I'm just going to keep the slide in the homepage for now. In this project, we developed a Django-based web application to monitor pests and diseases occurrence in mango farm. The system is structured around key models such as pest disease, farm trees, and surveillance record, which work together to provide detailed tracking of tree health. Additional models like plant type and plant part help identify specific areas of infection or damage, for which we have used relational fields like foreign key and many-to-many to ensure proper data connection. So my part was basically models and forms, but it was but my team members helped me in refining the models and improving the structure of the forms to make the application more user friendly and practical. We use Django model form system to customize the form with helpful placeholders, widgets, and filters based on the login user farm. Sorry, all content was populated and tested using the Django admin panel, which we configured for efficient backend management. I'd like to pass it to May now.
Thank you, Stuti, for passing that back to me. So in summary, these are all the features that we have developed. I hope that you enjoy the video, and please give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.